This is the patient management area. To add a patient, you'll simply click New. Last name, first name, date of birth are the 3 required fields here. Once you have entered the patient data, you'll go ahead and highlight the patient that you've entered, and you'll select your device. From here, I will do examination new to do a new scan, examination load to load an existing topography exam. Anytime I do a scan, I'll have a different set of displays. So I'm going to go ahead and load one of the topographies here. Double click. And here is my overview display. So once I have that loaded, I have all the different ways I can look at my data. Here we have radius, diopters, eccentricity, axis is your flat meridian, red is your steep. Here we have pupil, which is this black and white dotted line that's estimated. This theta cornea is your white to white measurement. You can select between the different maps by doing the drop down arrow and deciding which map that you want to take a look at. And here is your cornea profile, the center to the peripheral here, where blue again is your flat and red is your steep meridians there. On this map, if you'd like to add values here, you can do main sections, numeric values, and add markers here as well. I'm just going to go ahead and make that less noisy. Jumping over to a different display, we have one large color map. Now this data does repeat itself. The difference between this map and the front is here you can change your width there, and so you do that, it changes your sag height. So it does this calculation here. For map selectable allows me to put different maps side by side, different map areas, camera image. So I can take this caliper, I'm going to left click here, I can do my own measurement. So let me do my own my pupil size and my own white to white measurement. And I can play around with different rings like that. The 3D cornea. Now this is helpful for patients with keratoconus so that you can really explain it. So what I will do is do this, and I'm going to change this. And so here I can see where that bump is and explain to a patient that it's not a smooth surface. I do have this bump. So I do like showing doctors this display. Fourier analysis is a mathematical deconstruction of the eye. Spherical, prism, regular stigmatism, and any color left here is residual. That's things that these 3 boxes I can correct with regular glasses, regular astigmatism. Here I have to do something with the cornea, modify the cornea in order to account for that irregularity to fix the vision performance. Zernicke analysis, you have different ways so you can look at the data there. Topometric keratoconus screening is an add-on module. This number, level 3, is shown on the first overview screen right here, so it will stage that for you, but in most cases you probably most likely will see the keratoconus there. Elevation map, if you like looking at elevation, so the regular map, this is the best fitting sphere, and that is the difference between the original map and putting this on a spheric reference shape. Cornea asphericity, sagittal radius, degrees, you can look at it, the data in that. Show 2 exams, compare 2 exams. These are nice for ortho K fitting. So first visit, second visit, that's the difference here. And you can go ahead and change through the different visits if you like.